In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on Vinted, and if you've moved, are traveling, or simply want to see listings and shipping options tailored to a different location, updating your country setting will help align your feed, currency, and delivery choices with where you are. First, open your web browser and head to vinted.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your account settings. You'll need to be logged in to make changes. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right of the screen and click the profile icon. It usually appears as a small avatar or your profile image, and it opens a menu with your account controls. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where Vinted keeps all your account preferences, so it's the right place to adjust anything related to your profile. Inside Settings, select Profile Details. This section contains personal information tied to your account, including the location preferences that influence what you see on the platform. Next, scroll down through the Profile Details page. You're looking for the country field. It may sit near other contact or basic profile information, so keep scrolling until you spot it. When you find country, click to open the list and select the country you want. Choosing the correct country is important because it can affect the currency displayed, the availability of shipping methods, estimated delivery times, and even which items appear in your search results. Some promotional features or buyer protections can vary by region, so set this to the country where you plan to buy or sell. After selecting your new country, save your change by clicking Update Profile. This step confirms the change and applies it to your account. Once it's saved, you should notice your browsing experience start to reflect the new location settings. The currency may adjust, and the marketplace should prioritize items and shipping options relevant to that country. A few quick tips to keep in mind. If a particular country isn't listed, Vinted might not support that region yet. Also, changing your country can influence active listings and delivery preferences, so review any future transactions with your new settings in mind. If you're using the Vinted mobile app, the path is similar. Look for your profile, then settings, then profile details, but the layout can vary slightly by device. And that's all you need to do. Go to vinted.com, open your profile menu, head into settings, choose profile details, scroll down, select your country, and click Update Profile. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you tailor Vinted to the location that fits you best.